Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I'm Kanika Sharma and today I'm going to answer the questions which I'm getting on Instagram on a daily basis. I made my recent travel from Punjab to Bangalore. That's when I started getting these questions because of the story which I put on my Instagram. So I know the cases of corona in India has been increasing like anything, and it is not at all safe to travel anywhere in the world or in India. So we made this travel because of my personal reasons, and it was really important. And when we traveled from Bangalore to Punjab, again it was not planned. We had this marriage, my sister's marriage, coming up in March, and that's when we planned to travel to my in-laws' place that is in Punjab. And that's when we booked ticket. It was very pre-planned trip, and that time the corona situation was not very much in India. It started coming after that though. So I get so many questions about my travel, whether it's safe or not, whether we have to go for a quarantine period or not, and so many stuff like that. So I should tell you, traveling domestically, from one place to another in India, it's not very safe. But if it is important, maybe you can take some precautions and you can take some safety measures to travel. um, we traveled from Chandigarh airport to Bangalore airport through Indigo flight, and it was pretty safe. We should not touch things which are not required. The railings, or maybe we should not have food outside. We have to take certain measures, and we have to plan our things accordingly. We planned everything for the travel 2-3 days before our travel. We managed to cook food early morning, and we took that food with us while traveling, and we didn't had anything from outside, and we reached home safely. And yes, we have to serve quarantine period for 14 days. We have to be at home for 14 days. We should not go outside, we should not go and meet people. If you are from any other state in India, you will have to serve 14 days home quarantine. But if you are from Maharashtra state, then you will have to serve 7 days of institutional quarantine, and then 14 days of home quarantine. So the other question which I get a lot is, do airlines provide safety kits? So yes, they provide safety kit, but I think it is better to keep your own face masks and hand sanitizer, because it's for your own safety. And the other most important thing is, which all documents do we need to travel from one state to another. I traveled from Punjab to Karnataka, so I was required to register myself in Seva Sindhu app. We need to put our Aadhaar number. We need to register ourselves in Seva Sindhu app. Apart from that, we need to have Arogya Setu app downloaded in our phone with the location on, so that they can track the movements and they can track your quarantine time also. So we need to have Arogya Setu app also. Apart from that, I think it's pretty much it. We should not have any cold symptom, we should not have a fever, we should not have cough, and that's it. Stay safe and maintain social distancing. That's it. Have a safe journey and have a safe travel. Thank you.